Yeah, so I'm almost out of wine here. I got my Seattle Mariners shirt on. It's a beautiful night. Where do you guys live out there in the world? You live in an apartment, little small house, little housing tract, suburbs, middle of the city? What kind of lifestyle are you guys living? I don't have a whole lot of neighbors. I mean, my closest neighbor's quarter mile in every direction. If I had to walk, which I don't walk to my neighbor's house, it's too far. Sometimes I take my lawnmower, it's a rider. I have ridden my bike before. I got a little mountain bike. Mostly I just drive my truck, but I have been to my neighbor's houses. I got Steve back here, Jennifer's over there, the crazy wannabe Pacific Northwest hunter across the street. That guy is, he's something else. Found him in my driveway in the middle of the night wearing camo one night. He shot a deer with an arrow. Idiot. You don't have to camouflage yourself to shoot a deer in our neighborhood. They just walk right up. I mean, they're not even afraid of us. You could just sit in your lawn chair and shoot the thing with a bow and arrow. You don't have to camouflage yourself at night with stupid night vision goggles. This guy coming from California, I'm sorry, if you're from California and you got the camo night vision goggles. Sorry if that's you. Apologize, but my other neighbor, cool dude, across just that way, about a quarter mile. Everybody's a quarter mile. That guy, he's a pretty nice guy. He came riding up and did a little meet and greet when he moved in. Super nice guy. I haven't met his wife yet, but yeah, we know our neighbors out here. We know our neighbors. When you're in the country, one thing you do is you put out bird seed. You get yourself some bird seed, and you get yourself some sugar water, and you watch the hummingbirds, you watch the bees, you watch the wildlife. We have bear, cougar, bobcat, raccoon, you name it. You name it, we got it. Comes through here. My wife wants to get a trail camera. I'd love to get a trail camera and put some wildlife out there. I mean, I had to put up a fence in my backyard, 6-foot fence, to keep the deer out. They'll eat all this stuff. It'll be gone. It's like a salad smorgasbord for these guys. I hope I said that right. To my Swedish friends, smorgasbord. I only remember that word from Sesame Street. Remember that chef? He had his big hands and his Muppet head. I love the Swedish chef on the Muppets or Sesame Street. That was some good stuff. They don't make good stuff anymore. Man, remember the Muppets? Boom, 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 boom. Man, the Muppets was some good show. They don't make good stuff anymore. My chicken's almost done. What time is it? Let's check the time. Oh no, we got about 15 more minutes. I turned it down. Brussels sprouts are cooking. I got the spaghetti, and we're having spaghetti Alfredo because I heard the dog. He's barking. Mama must be home. It's time for dinner. All right, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. We're gonna shut this thing off, finish cooking our dinner. You guys have a good night.